Brought to you by JEGS.
Welcome to Dorman Products GM key fob installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered simple. No car knowledge is needed. The estimated amount of time to complete this installation is 5 minutes. Please note, once the programmer has been plugged in, you will have 2 minutes to program all new and existing remotes. After 2 minutes, your session will time out and the vehicle will no longer be in programming mode. Programmer will work for no more than 3 programming cycles. We recommend reading all instructions prior to attempting programming. To begin the installation, close and lock all doors. Next, insert the key into the ignition and turn to IGN on without starting the engine. Insert the programmer into your vehicle's OBD2 port located below the steering wheel. The port may be covered by a faceplate that will easily pop off. Once inserted, wait for the programmer to chime, indicating that it is ready to program the remote. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the remote simultaneously until you hear a chime, buzzer, or the door lock cycle. This should take 10 to 15 seconds. To program additional remotes, repeat the previous step. After all remotes have been programmed, wait 60 seconds for a buzzer to sound and remove the programmer from the OBD2 port.
If you lost or broke your car's keyless remote, don't pay a fortune at the dealership for a new one. Dorman has compatible replacements for millions of vehicles, and most can be programmed by anyone in minutes without any tools. Replacing broken or lost key fobs is more than a petty annoyance. Waiting at the dealership can be expensive and time-consuming. With our keyless entry solutions, there's no reason to waste time waiting at the car dealership or paying more than $100 just to get a key fob reprogrammed. Do it yourself and get back on the road. For many vehicles, programming is as simple as following a sequence of button presses. For others, Dorman includes a free, patented programmer. Just plug it in and follow the instruction sequence. Simply enter your vehicle information, find your new Dorman keyless remote, and program it lickety-split. Each Dorman remote is carefully designed to match original appearance and function, with quality construction backed by a limited lifetime warranty. So when you need a new key fob, rely on Dorman so you can program it in minutes and rely on it for years.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.